Okay, we will solve this one. Factoring general quadratic trinomials when a is greater than 1. So we will factor 6x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, we will solve this one, or we will factor this one using asterisk method. Okay, so ito yung asterisk. Yan. So, ito yung value ng AC, value ng A. Okay, yung first factor, saka yung second factor. Tapos ito yung value ng B. Okay, so kunin natin yung value ng A dito, which is 6. Okay, then yung B, this is negative 1. At saka yung C is equal to negative 2. Okay, so ganyan ang mangyayari niyan. So kunin natin yung AC. Okay, product ng AC. So yung A is 6. Multiply natin kay C na negative 2. So this is equal to negative 12. Okay, so this is negative 12. Ang B natin is negative 1. Saka yung yung A is 6. Okay, dito rin yung isang A na 6. So kunin natin yung first factor at saka yung second factor. So ang gagawin natin dito, hanap tayo ng factors of negative 12 na ang kanilang sum ay negative 1. Okay? So factors of negative 12 tsaka yung sum of negative 1. Okay. So what are the factors of negative 12? So 4 times negative 3. Okay, that is equal to negative 12. So yung sum nila, 4 plus negative 3. So this is equal to positive 1. So hindi yan ang hinahanap natin. So another factor, baliktarin natin yan. So this is negative 4 times positive 3. Okay. So this is equal to negative 12. Okay, then yung sum, negative 4 plus positive 3. So this is negative 1. Okay, therefore, ito na yung factor na ating hinahanap. Kasi yung product nila ay negative 12. Then yung sum nila ay negative 1. Okay, therefore, si first factor natin ay, yung first factor is negative 4. Ilagyan natin dyan negative 4. Saka yung isa ay 3. Okay, ngayon, kailangan natin i-reduce yan. So, divide natin si 6 by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Ito naman si negative 4, i-divide din natin siya by 2. So, this is negative 2. Okay, ito naman si 6, divide natin siya by 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, si 3 naman, i-divide natin siya by 3. So, this is equal to 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, ngayon, so since x yung variable natin, so 3, tapos, unahan ako ha, parang, so 3x, then minus 2. Minus 2. Another factor, or the second factor ay 2. So, lagyan natin dyan 2x. Positive yan, so positive 1. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.